Hey there, YouTube. How's it going? It's been an interesting week for me. We just got the engine out, or they just got the engine out, and I'm about to take it over to my engine guy. But let's take a look here. There is oil everywhere. And there is oil here on the windscreen. Everywhere. All down the belly, underneath the plane, all inside the engine compartment. So I'll be spending some time cleaning this up and getting ready. One of the things I wanted to do while I have this engine out is do work on an annual and maybe clean up the interior a little bit. So this carpet here is really loose, and every time I get in or out of the aircraft, it bunches up on me, so I have to realign it and everything. So I was thinking about getting new interior, new carpeting. Wondering what you guys are thinking. So here's the current carpet. It is like a teal green, and we've got some blue seats. What do you guys think? Should we go ahead and work on the interior while we're at it? Leave your comments below. Meanwhile, while we're working on this, my cat, I'm going to be opening up all the panels and addressing some of those squawks that you guys mentioned, and we'll see how it goes. Let's get this thing on the road. So we've got the engine fully loaded up here in the truck. Let's go ahead and take it to our engine guy and see what he has to say. Here we are in the truck, taking the engine to the engine guy. We've got it out of the airplane. We're gonna go see what's going on. It's been a little overwhelming with everything that's going on with YouTube and work and the aircraft. I really do appreciate all of your comments and suggestions. Since we have the engine out, and it's going to be a while before we get it back in, and because of the weather here in the Tracy area, it's foggy right now. It's noon, and the fog is just starting to lift. So what we're going to do, since it's December, we're going to go ahead and work on the annual. We're going to move the annual up to whenever the engine gets put back in, and then we'll have a new engine, fresh annual, fresh propeller. With all of that being said, as part of the annual, I'm going to do a little bit of an owner-assisted annual on the aircraft, and the reason for that is so that I can become more familiar with the systems and components and everything about the aircraft. As part of that, since it's going to be down for a little while, I was thinking about going ahead and maybe reupholstering the seats and the interior, the carpet. Every time I get out of the airplane, I drag my feet across the carpet and I kind of pull that carpet out, and it scrunches up in front of me, so I have to reposition the carpet every time I get in the airplane. A couple of people have recommended some pre-cut custom carpets that you just order, and they're prefabricated for the aircraft, and all you do is like glue the Velcro down onto the floorboards. Love to get you guys' opinion on those. What do you guys think? Or should I have it fully custom done? Keep in mind that I can't take the aircraft to somebody right now, so either they'd have to send me the stuff or they'd have to come out to me, at least until the engine's done. Let me know in the comments if you think I should get a carpet kit or have somebody come out and redo parts of the interior. And I'll keep you posted about the engine and annual as I find out more. Thanks for watching.